So I've been waiting on my badges for the side of the truck. A friend of mine 3D printed them and he did so good on them. We went through a couple of test runs to find the size, obviously, because it was pretty custom and the way the letters lined up, it didn't cover the holes. So we had to do a little bit of adjusting along the way, but they ended up turning out so good. I'm really happy with them. If you guys notice in some of the shots, one of the badges on the driver's side is a little crooked, and I just didn't want to mess with tape and all of that, so I just put them on, which I learned my lesson. I probably should have lined it up and measured a little bit better, but regardless, I'm still really happy with how they turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed them too. It was an out of the park idea and decision, but I went for it, and kind of strange to have my name on the side of the truck. I'm here for it. It's custom and I love that. So that day I got the side badges on, I was very inspired to get the other ones on. So I reused my old badges and I sanded them down, primed and painted them like you guys saw. All the other parts, it was the same process. Once the weather breaks a little bit, I will be doing the bed liner and kind of wrapping up that stuff. Definitely some window tint. We have a few more things to do, and there's been so much going on that I can't wait to share with you guys. Definitely want to start uploading more. So if you guys would want to leave a comment down below and let me know what kind of content you enjoy watching or what you would want to see from me, that would be super helpful. On my end, I'll just know what to film and put out there for you guys, but I definitely want to know, other than the truck stuff, what else you guys want to see. So leave a comment down below, let me know. Thank you guys so much for being here, and thank you for all the endless support through this whole thing. It has meant so much to me. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share it with a friend, do what you want to do. Anyway, I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.